In my last video, I gave you this short right here with the confirmation of the red bar all the way down, and this long right here to view up. And right now we're retesting it. I'm not gonna bid just because we're retesting it. I'm gonna wait for a few things, and to see the exact scenarios. I want to give you, look, these are different winning trades that we've had. I want to give you a little bit of a perspective on what's going on with the chart. So the first of all, we are very interested in seeing price react to either this level right here, 1538, which is basically right here, or this level right here, which is 4720. At 4720, we have a scenario where, let me just show you. Right here we have the 50 EMA, right here we have the 10 EMA on the daily chart, right here we have the 200 EMA. So if we test here short, test here long, this is like a super basic version of how I would trade this. But I would also be waiting for a few confirmations. I'm very interested in taking longs right now, so I'm long biased. I'll write it down right here. I'm long biased, looking for longs mostly at this point. So any opportunity we have in the signals chat, we'll start entering the longs. If you want to learn more about my trades, there'll be links in the description down below. If you want to learn my strategy, I also have a link to my course. I made it pretty cheap and I'll be updating it this week with some new stuff, new information. Do check everything out, and this video is not financial advice. Love you with all my heart. See you next video.